Loose or intermittent thermostat control problems often come from slightly loose wires or non-captured conductors, and the fix is a systematic, hands-on wiring inspection and correction you can do in under an hour. Start by cutting power at the breaker and test the system is dead with a non-contact tester to avoid surprises. Remove the thermostat cover and take a clear photo of the wiring for reference. Then loosen and fully back out each terminal screw to free any trapped conductor. Straighten and properly strip each wire to expose clean copper. About 3/8 of an inch is ideal. And reinsert so the conductor is fully visible under the terminal clamp before retightening while gently tugging the wire to confirm mechanical capture. Clean any corrosion on stranded wires by twisting strands together and applying a light scrub with a wire brush or fine sandpaper. If you see frayed strands, replace the lead or use a short ferrule to maintain contact integrity. Check for insulation pushed under the terminal plate. If present, trim insulation back and restrip so the clamp contacts only metal. Inspect the thermostat subbase for bent or oxidized terminals and replace the subbase if spring clips are weak or screws show stripped threads. Confirm correct conductor assignments against the system schematic. Misplaced common, fan, or heat call wires can cause intermittent behavior, and verify that the common wire is solid for power stealing thermostats. Measure voltage at the thermostat terminals with a multimeter to ensure stable 24 volts alternating current where required, watching for voltage droop during activation, which signals a weak transformer or poor connection. Finally, after reassembly, restore power and run a full call for heat and call for cool test while monitoring the wiring and terminal temperatures for any signs of heating that would indicate poor contact. One of the top 3 mistakes is loose thermostat wiring causing intermittent operation. Fix it by cutting power, full restrip to 3/8 of an inch, using ferrules on stranded conductors, and tug testing each connection to ensure capture. The second common issue is insulation or paint trapped under terminal plates, leading to open circuits. Remove the wire, trim back insulation, restrip, and clean terminals before reclamping. The third is relying on corroded or damaged subbases and terminals, which mimic intermittent faults. Replace worn bases, use high-quality thermostat terminals, and verify voltage stability under load to rule out transformer or control board problems. BigHomeProjects.com lists pre-screened local contractors and provides homeowner reviews and project photos to help you match the right technician to tricky thermostat wiring problems, and it helps contractors get work by connecting their verified profiles with homeowners actively searching for electrical and HVAC services.